The Puzzle Solver. In a bustling town where everyone was always in a hurry, lived a girl named Maya who saw the world differently. While others rushed past problems, Maya saw puzzles waiting to be solved. She carried a special notebook filled with drawings, ideas, and solutions that nobody else could imagine. "Everything is a puzzle," Maya would say, "if you look at it the right way." Maya's room was filled with peculiar inventions: a hat that held umbrellas for rainy days, a machine that sorted socks by color, and a special chair that helped her elderly neighbor's cat climb up to the windowsill safely. One day, the town faced its biggest challenge yet. The grand town clock, which had kept everyone on schedule for hundreds of years, suddenly stopped working. The townspeople were in chaos. Nobody knew when to start work, when to take lunch, or when to head home. The town's best mechanics tried to fix it. The most experienced clockmakers examined it. But nobody could solve the puzzle of the broken clock. "Maybe Maya can help," suggested her teacher, who had seen Maya's creative solutions in class. At first, the adults laughed. "A child? Fix our ancient clock." But they were desperate enough to try anything. Maya climbed the clock tower with her notebook and her bag of tools. While others had rushed to fix the big parts, Maya listened to the clock's quiet whispers. She noticed how the gears spoke to each other, how the pendulum danced its timeless dance. "The clock isn't broken," Maya announced after careful observation. "It's lonely." The townspeople were confused. How could a clock be lonely? Maya explained that for hundreds of years, pigeons had nested in the clock tower, keeping the clock company. But recent renovations had blocked their entrance, and without their gentle cooing and warm presence, the clock had lost its rhythm. Her solution was simple but brilliant. She designed small openings that would welcome the birds back but protect the clock's delicate mechanisms. She added tiny platforms where they could nest safely, away from the gears. Within days of making these changes, the pigeons returned. The clock, happy to have its friends back, began ticking again, its rhythm stronger and more joyful than ever. The town celebrated Maya's creativity. They realized that sometimes the best solutions come from understanding not just the mechanics of a problem, but its heart. From that day forward, people started bringing their puzzles to Maya. She helped design a garden that bloomed year-round, created a system to help the library organize its books more efficiently, and even invented a special playground that children of all abilities could enjoy together. "The best puzzles," Maya would say, "are the ones that make the world a little bit better when you solve them." The end.